Modern design often seems to be about clean lines, bright colors, and an overall tidiness that can feel sleek. But there are times when a level of authenticity is called for. Whether it's to make something look vintage or simply look like you can touch it, dirt, dust, and wear and tear are desirable effects that can add character. But how do you bring them to your digital designs? That's where retro design templates come in. From grubby film textures to engraved patterns, retro design templates come in many different forms, offering a suite of ways to transform your designs. And they take only seconds to work. To help you see what's out there, we've compiled some of the best in this list of the 10 best retro design templates. All items featured in this list are available on Envato Elements, an unlimited subscription service that helps bring ideas to life. With access to millions of design assets and services, simply download whatever items you want, as many times as you want, to enhance your creative projects. Number 10. Get that authentically scratchy texture with this vintage photo effect by Pixel Buddha Graphic. Age your photos in a stunningly realistic way, turning quality flaws into a feature. This item is a Photoshop action. It takes just seconds to achieve the desired effect, with tasteful blotches, smudges, shading, and an overall worn effect, adding some character to your design. From fashion shoots to shots of the city, watch this template turn digital photography into vintage photos you can almost touch with this one. Number 9. Simulate the look and feel of a reel of film with this template by Collective Offset. A pack of 15 vector textures, this collection's being created from vintage photographic papers, old film negatives, and Polaroids. These templates work well as layer masks or distressed photo frameworks. Each element is fully editable to suit your project. They're versatile, allowing you to change the colors, delete elements, and combine elements together for unique effects. The EPS files are vectors, so they can be scaled to any size. And the final product will be high resolution at 300 dpi. Create that authentic feel from worn out film to Polaroids with this one. Number 8. Create retro engraving patterns using this Illustrator brush set by J.R. Child. This incredibly realistic set of engraved and repeated patterns is a nifty shortcut that's simple to use. Just layer the patterns in different rotations to create hatching and build up shading. There are also supplied patterns at different rotations, creating one-click graphic styles to further reduce the time it takes to create vintage art. The patterns are supplied in black, but the colors can be easily changed. The pack includes 15 detailed repeat pattern swatches. It also includes instructions, which are thorough on how to load, apply, and adjust the patterns. Create engraved patterns smartly with this one. Number 7. Add dusty, grainy texture overlays to create old vintage film effects with this backgrounds and textures set by Visaki. These dust and hair textures have been created to mimic what's commonly found on old film negatives. They provide an easy way to create this classic look with digital photographs and designs. The pack includes 15 high-resolution JPEG files made from optically captured dust particles. Some are noisier and scratchier than others, and all provide that authentic, real-world style. Bring your vintage film to life with this one. Number 6. Slide into the 70s with this groovy pack of text effects. Playing with curves, disco styles, and psychedelic repeats of letters, watch these graphic templates completely supercharge your designs. The pack is easy to use, allowing you to replace the text in seconds via Smart Object layers. You just open the file, open the Smart Object layer, change the text, and save. It works with text, vector shapes, and other images. The text is editable, all fonts are free to use, and there are links included in the help file. There are 10 designs, all in high resolution, and all well organized. If you're enjoying this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the Envato channel for more retro design templates. Number 5. Create that old sticker style with this pack of vintage sticker templates by Graphic Boom Studio. Get that worn-out, peelable feeling with these easy-to-use smart object designs built for Photoshop. Simply insert your text, logo, or design, and save the file to see instant results. Watch the file add 3D effects like creases, gloss, and worn textures to create realistic virtual stickers, and watch people get stuck on your brand with this one. Number 4. Retro Comic Book Photoshop Action Kit by Endworks turns your images into realistic hand-drawn comic pages. In just minutes, this intelligently crafted script will transform your work into compelling graphic magazine images. It comes bundled with 15 vector speech bubbles, 15 vector comic elements, 12 vector comic sound effects, 5 comic book frame templates, and 2 free premium comic book mockup templates. It works best for images with sizes of around 2000 to 5000 pixels and 300 dpi resolution. All you need is Photoshop CS3 or higher, and you're good to go. Create masterpieces in seconds with this one. Number 3. DaVinci Sketch Photoshop Action creates amazing hand-drawn sketch artworks in the style of the great Renaissance painter. The action works best with illustrations and photos of people and objects. The final composition is fully layered and provides effects and customization that makes the design look seamless. Use the included brush set and paper textures to add even more details. The action also creates 5 pen color tones and 10 overall color presets to apply with a single click. It's super easy to use and will save you hours of work, and will make your work look authentically handcrafted. Number 2. The Filtergrade Film Series is a fantastic collection of film effects and realistic movie-like photo actions. From Wild West to horror flicks, loads of cool Photoshop actions are included. There are 20 state-of-the-art film effects, letterbox, vignette, and advanced vignette included, and altogether it lifts your photos into something incredibly effective. Turn simple photos into something cinematic with this pack. Number 1. This vintage letterpress design by Zeppelin Graphics is an easy-to-use template that provides a seamless way to lift your logos and text into something unique. From vintage comic book styles to authentic garage effects, you simply open the file, open the Smart Object layer, change the text, or insert your logo, save, and you're done. It works with text, vector shapes, PNG files, and more. The text is editable, and all fonts are free to use for personal use. There are 10 PSD files, all in high resolution, fully editable, and well organized, and this all combines to make it quick and easy to create high-quality designs. And that wraps up our list of the 10 best retro design templates. Which item was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Check out the description for links to all items shown today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Envato channel for more roundups. And check out the next video, selected just for you.